Welcome to the sixth section in the course, and what we're going to be creating is our contact page. Throughout this next section, once you come to complete it, your contact page will end up looking like this with the same functionality. As you can see, we have a simple map view at the top of our screen. This is fully interactable and it has a pin which when selected has a title and a quick description. This will be the location of your business/company, where you situated you are, and there's a little pin there to show you exactly where you are. We also have in our label underneath the address of where we are. This is just made up at the moment, it's preset location. We have our first button within our contact list of our options here. We can choose to get directions, which when selected takes us to the map application and puts in the coordinates for your location, and you can select your current location and begin the route. If we go back to the app, we have a second button which email us. This will push us to a new view where we have a form which we can fill out and type out a load of information and get ready to send that information as an email over to us to a preset email address which we have selected. So it's a way of your users or potential customers to contact you and get more information from you or directly from within the application. You can also implement a call us button. Once selected, we have an alert pop up saying call us. Are you sure you'd like to call? And then the number they're about to call, they can choose to cancel it or press OK. And if they choose to press OK, it starts dialing the number which you've selected. So it's a great way, additionally to the email us, how your users or customers can contact you directly from the application. And then we also have our final social links button, which again will take us to our social links section of the application when we set it up further on in the course. And as you can see, it's themed throughout the whole of the application with the rounded buttons, the background image, the colours, and we have our rounded map edges within our map view with the white border. So again, throughout this section, we'll be creating our Contact Us page, which will give us all the features and abilities for your users to contact you, find where you are, email you, call you. We're giving them every possible option so that they feel there's a way they can contact you within their means. So in the next lecture, we're going to be starting by creating our map view and displaying our location with our pin on the map.